Fuel station at Umoko Junction. So I saw many bikes parking along the.
All right, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope all is well with you. I just want to share this with you because it happened last night, and I know many of you, maybe you have seen that, maybe you have not. In case if you have not seen that, I want you to go to my WhatsApp channel because I have the video there. Those of you that are in the WhatsApp, I believe you cannot just say that you have not seen the video. If you have not, please go back there and check it, or let me know, then I will forward it to you. The video cannot be played completely here. I have to flash the one I can flash because I'm actually scared to play some of those videos here because it is actually shocking. As you can see on the title, this happened last night in Imo State. In Imo State, and many of you already know my take on all those things because it's not hidden. We have been saying this because it's not, don't say that you are surprised. If you say you are surprised, then maybe you are lying to yourself. But the truth of the matter is that it is something that everybody expects to happen. Why? Because most of our people are busy focusing on Chimese. I don't want to use Lolo. And the Guru Ago, Keshoso, Jovika, you know them, right? People who believe that they are very, very strong only when it comes to their fellow Igbo people. That's when they will be very, very loud. Imo State of all places, Fulani invaded the place and begin to buy people, begin to do what they. In fact, let me play just few clips. Maybe I hope they will not have any issue with this because I don't know how to present it without having an issue with that. But let's just give it a try. Just watch.
Passenger that we should wait. Let's confirm Umoko Junction. So I saw many bikes parking along the road. So I told my passenger that we should wait. Let's confirm what is happening. They said Fulani herdsmen are blocking the road. So my bike man said no, that he don't think that Fulani herdsmen are along that road, that we should go. I insisted that I'm not going. So he forced me that we should go. So I moved the bike. Along the road, as I was going, there is a place at Iyagwa, Ezobodo Express Road there. So when I get to that little bush at the bending corner over that road, I crossed the place. I saw a bike lying on the road. So I asked my passenger that let's stop and turn back. Now this bike might be someone that has been attacked along the road. He said no, that we should be going, that already we are close to Ezobodo. I said okay. So when we moved from that place, we now get to the point where they stopped solar light. There is a place that they mounted solar light and they stopped over. The NDDC solar light. The NDDC solar light at their stopover where they stopped it. So between Ezobodo and Ihiagwa. No, this is not in Ezobodo. So not in Ihiagwa bush again. This is not in Ezobodo vicinity. So two boys ran out from the bush wearing black and were armed. What they wanted to block, due to my speed, I have to chase them with my bike. So both of.
Now, this issue happened in Moses, like I told you, and this man happened to be one of the witness. As you can see, he's injured, just like many other people that I cannot show you here. So his own maybe because they have already addressed the wounds. There's another one that I will give a try to see if just
jumped inside the bush. The one outside the bush.
It's possible for you to see here. Okay, and watch this one. Okay.
Me and him now for now, and I'm not kid dog now like this now. They put him in this small boy now. They put him in this small boy. They put him in this small boy now. Just that now in the Fulani, I got for the 50. No, this close to Jamel. Close to Jamel. Gal call him Mado Juru na Jamel. Close to Jamel there now. Gal call him Mado Juru there. Just imagine all the security. What are they doing now? Because no one need to there now. Jamana him get there now. Just imagine that in the Fulani batala nezobudu. Just imagine. Gal call him Mado Juru there now, right?
That Ozunde Madujuru there. Okay. Ordinarily, I'm not supposed to present this video, but there's something I want you to learn from it. You have seen some people claiming that Mass American is a problem, and they wasted by people that died just yesterday. In this incident, is far. In fact, it's way too far than all the noise they're making. Remember, I'm not justifying people buying anybody, please. If you are one of those that are attacking people, buying people in Biafra land, in Igbo land, I am not here to justify your character. I'm not saying, yo, go on, no. And don't forget that Biafran people now have government. And the government is the one to discuss about the activities going on in Biafra land. You don't need to validate it. It's not by your choice. People have made their choice by self-referendum. That you disagree with that is okay. That's your personal issue. But the truth of the matter is that people knows what is going on and they know who they are following. Lord Chimeze, please, I withdraw the word Lolo. Chimeze, pineapple haircut woman. Muslim American wife, I know that I will keep my eyes on this. The video that Solex 042 made, where he reported Fulani people invading Enugu State. We have not seen that from Udele. These are people who have platform to label an Igbo, a land or region of violence. But the truth of the matter is that people are dying, running away from their villages because of Fulani. I told you that I have a reverend father who also happened to be fall victim of this Fulani just last month. As God may have it, he managed to escape because they mounted roadblock after full post away from army checkpoint, which they may be a real army, they may be fake army. That's what you need to know. That because every kidnapping going on in a land, the victim always tell you that it's full post away, two miles away or 2 posts away, that was the past. Immediately we drove past army checkpoint, then we started hearing gunshots. How sure are you that those army are real army? Because Nigeria government have made it difficult for you to know real army and the fake army by reintegrating Boko Haram and kidnappers in the system. So this is not me trying to undermine or blackmail the Nigerian army, but I'm just reporting to you what the Nigerian government have made the army to be. Okay? Now, Lord Oneka Chimeze, like I said, I always withdraw that word, Lord. Chimeze, pineapple haircut woman, I will be watching to see how you will react on this. Not to attack you, but I want to see how you balance this news. Imo State last night. In Kabokwa last year, 2 years ago, no. Okay? Here the sound of Ngwogo, Ejuwe Batili. You see people running head scatter? You can see that. Okay, like I said, if you want to see more, of the video or watch it with fullness, in fullness, everything, please join our WhatsApp group. The video is there. I have it there. And most of you maybe have seen that. But even if you have seen that or not, learn something from that, because when I call them jihadist enablers, because they will be distracting you. They will be distracting you why the people that paid them will invade your land, and they're not gonna cough. They're not gonna say anything. Look at the victims. Children, young men, young women, people that has nothing to do with their shenanigans. They will be the one to suffer. There's another video that I cannot show you here. I can't play it at all. It is on our WhatsApp group. They actually attacked them. I think they cut off somebody had manhood. They cut off his manhood. It is very bad. Very, very bad. Let it be a lesson. Please make sure you like the video and let me know what you think about it. God bless you, and always try to open your eyes to know those that love you and those that hate you.